Hello everyone, what's going on? Welcome to my tutorial on Autodesk Sketchbook Pro app, which many digital artists around the globe are coming up with. It's a wonderful app for digital artists, product designers, animators, and many more. You can find this app in Windows platform, Mac, Android platform. It's a free app. You can download it on all your devices. In this video, we learn about home screen and buttons of this app from iOS platform. To download this app in iOS devices such as iPad, go to the App Store and search for Autodesk Sketchbook. When you open the app, you will find a blank white canvas with multiple options around the screen. You can adjust the size of the canvas by pinching or spreading your fingers. In the left side of the screen, you will find many sets of pencils, brushes, erasers and paint brushes, and many halftone textures and many more. Each of the textures or pencils or brushes have each personal setting. For example, if you find this brush and you click settings, you will find the settings of the individual brush, and the settings include size and opacity. On the top of the screen, you will find shortcuts like undo, redo, selection tool, paintbrush tool, scale, symmetry, shapes, and strokes, and an option to add an image, and also an option to add text. And the last one is the screen recording option. In the right side of the screen, you will see layer panel, in which you can add infinite number of layers, and under the layer panel you will find the color palette. In Autodesk Sketchbook Pro, you will find an excellent color palette which contains many colors. First of all, you will find a color wheel in which you can adjust the hue, saturation, lightness of each color. In the bottom of the screen, you will find 5 more options. The first one is flip canvas. Whatever you draw on the canvas, if you click the option, it will flip as it is in the mirror. The second option is double puck. Double puck in the sense, it will increase the canvas size. And third option is color picker. Wherever you spot the color picker, it will pick the exact color which you can draw again and again. And the fourth option is eraser. Whatever the stroke you are using to paint on the canvas, the same stroke the eraser will be. And the fifth option is last brush. Whatever the last brush you are used, the same eraser will be fine in the last brush option. So these are the main things you find when you open the Autodesk Sketchbook Pro home screen. In the next tutorial, we will discuss about top buttons and left side buttons, which include brushes, pencils, pens, and erasers. Thank you for watching.